This video teaches learners how to interpret Brightspace's grade items, other grade features, and overall grades.
Grades shows all grades for your assignments, discussions, and quizzes. A grade item refers to an assignment, discussion, or quiz. Points are the amount of marks granted to a learner out of a maximum number. Grade is the score earned on a grade item displayed as a percentage. Comments and assessments are the feedback provided by your instructor on an activity. In the quizzes section, click the View Quiz Attempts link to check detailed feedback. Class Progress provides a detailed breakdown of your assignments, discussions, and quizzes. This includes points, grade as a percentage, and feedback. The feedback drop-down shows feedback on your assignments and quizzes from your instructor. Now you know how to view and understand your grades in Brightspace. Thank you for watching.